Alright, so first of all, here we have digestive biscuits. I've crushed them in a grinder and this is what they look like. I've used our local Wheatable digestive biscuits, but if the McVitie's are available, you can use those as well, because of course they have a better taste, but these are good as well. Next up, we have one small can of tin fruit, cocktail fruit, one box of sweet box yogurt. I'm going to use half of this. Here we have condensed milk. This is a very big packaging, but we're going to use just half a cup. And we have butter over here at room temperature. And last but not the least, 1 pack of dairy cream, but we'll be using half of it. So let's start. Okay. Now in these digestive biscuits, these are actually 8 digestive biscuits that I've crushed. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, so that it becomes a tart-like mixture that we can layer at the bottom of our glasses while serving. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to layer it onto my cups. I have 2 ways to present this. One is a transparent one and one is a opaque one. Start layering. And this is a really rich dessert, so you don't need to serve it in big bowls and big glasses. It's very heavy and very rich. A small serving is enough. Alright, now first of all we have yogurt. I'm using half of this box. Next we have condensed milk, my favorite ingredient. I'm going to use 1 cup of this using a measuring cup. Ooh, look at that. So fattening and so rich at the same time. Love it. Next we have cream. I'm using half of this Tetra Pak. And now we're just going to beat it using an electric mixer. And now I'm going to add in this cocktail fruit. This is 1 tin. And just fold it in. Okay, so I've taken out my cups from the fridge, the 2 individual serving cups. One I have is a high pedestal cup and a small serving shot cup for small shots of intense sweetness. Now let's start layering. Pour a scoopful on top of your biscuits. Don't fill it to the rim. Okay. I'm taking 1 biscuit and I'll crush it a little bit and sprinkle it on top. Do try out this recipe for Eid. I bet you everyone will love it so much. And it's my own recipe. And now a cherry on top. on the other cup as well. Let me clean this, because presentation matters, so make sure your cups are clean. And now chill them in the refrigerator for as long as you want and serve them.